Marshmallow or marsh, made with only 3 ingredients, no sugar. In a pot, let's add 2 cups of milk and 3 packs of colored gelatin, 12 grams each. With the heat off, we'll mix everything well. Let's turn on the heat now and let the gelatin dissolve all the way. It's a pleasure to have you here for this awesome recipe, guys. Then you keep stirring, okay? And when it dissolves, you can turn off the heat. Then add a packet of powdered juice, any flavor you like, alright? Then you mix till the color pops, see it? Just keep stirring. Now, just let it cool off, alright? Then shift it to any dish you like. Now it will be easier to use the mixer. And now guys, we need a bit of patience, okay? Just beat it all really well, okay? Until it doubles in size. About 10 minutes should do, okay? Then crank it to the fastest speed your mixer has. Once you do that, it'll look like this, see? Look guys, it doubled in size, see? And then, you get a pretty cream. Grab this chance and tell me what's the weather there. Is it hot or cold? And now let me show you how it turns out. Look here. Check it out, guys. Now you can move it into another dish, okay? I oiled mine and spread it evenly. See, guys? This consistency is awesome. This marshmallow is going to be the best, right? It's going to be the best marsh you ever had, okay? And then, guys, just spread it out, okay? And chill it in the freezer for an hour, that's all. And here, look how it looks, see? Wow, folks, it's a beauty. If you like, you can also sprinkle sugar on top, okay? But I didn't add sugar and it's still divine, guys. Feels like eating it all at once, but gotta control, okay? Have a piece today, tomorrow share with family. And if making for kids, just tag your child. Tag your mother-in-law, wife, husband, anyone, right? Maybe they'll make this delight for you. Look at it, guys. Just like marshmallow, right? Delicious with only 3 ingredients, folks. So tell me in the comments, how do you rate today's recipe? And I'll see you here. See you next time.